I'll be a CEO thing this I gotta do right now. You're the only one in the family who don't have a visa, girl. So hear me and tell you, my daughter. When you go to the interview, make sure you smile. Look at me.
Daddy, I know some I go smile. You know me love skin my teeth. I'm up there, Daddy.
Alright, them things that make you get through, my daughter. Good luck, man. What you say? Visa you want today?
Daddy, I'm gonna smile. Don't worry yourself. I'm gonna smile. I make you proud. I make you proud. You boy, you're not afraid.
But they are afraid, man. But no worry yourself, man. They will get you.
I'm nervous today. I'm going to shake and can't start.
You know, they got you last year and they said you can't pick me up. Now try again, Steve. Now try.
You're brave enough now.
Try.
X. Come in, X.
Come on, your time. Go on here. Good luck here. Good luck.
You tell me good luck. And you need luck. I'm sorry for you. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm good. Why are you applying for a visa?
I want to travel the world, sir, like everybody else.
Okay, what do you do for a living?
Sir, between me and you, sir, I do ear and I do nails, but I don't have a shop for myself. But I'm working on it.
Interesting. So, who will be funding your trip?
But say, if I ever tell you I'm dead in here, I say a girl will never like me. From the look of it, so you know. Yeah, I man have money, so you know what I do? Take the man. Yeah, I'm a pay fee. Oh, sorry, you don't understand at all. A girl that didn't like.
I understand what you said.
Say you're being so strong.
I'm sorry, Mom. No visa for you today. I'm sorry.
But why, sir? Start over now, please.
Security!
I'm coming here,